Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told to solve for x in 2 to the power of square root of x is equal to 8 to the power of x. So this is a simple algebraic equation that we can solve using laws of indices. So let's look at the equation carefully. We have 2 to the power of square root of x is equal to 8 to the power of x. So the first thing we're going to try to do is to make sure that we eliminate the two bases. Here the base is 2, here the base is 8. At this point, we cannot eliminate them because the bases are not the same. So one of the principles in indices is if the bases are the same, you equate the powers. But here, the bases are not the same. 2 here, 8 here. But we can convert 8 to an index form of 2 because 8 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So since 2 multiplies itself 3 times to give you 8, we can replace 8 with 2 to the power of 3. So let's do that. We have 2 to the power of square root of x is equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by x. So 2 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 8, right? So we have not done anything extraordinary, okay? So 2 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 8. So now the bases are the same, so we can equate the powers. So this will give us square root of x is equal to 3x. But we need to eliminate square root. In order to find the value of x, we need to eliminate square root. So how do we eliminate square root? We introduce the opposite of square root, which is square. Okay, so since we are working on an equation, whatever we do to the left side, we are going to do the same to the right side. So this will be square root of x squared is equal to 3x squared. Okay, so over here at the left, square root and square will cancel each other out. So we have x is equal to, what is 3x squared? 3x squared, since both of them are inside the bracket, this square is going to affect the values inside the bracket. 3 squared is equal to 9, and then we have x squared. So since we have a square here, we are working with a quadratic equation. So in order to find the value of x, we need to move 9x squared to the left. So this will give us x minus 9x squared is equal to 0. So x minus 9x squared is equal to 0. Next thing we're going to do is factorize the values on the left. X is here, so x is common. So we have x parenthesis x divided by x gives you 1. 9x squared divided by x gives you minus 9x is equal to 0. Okay, so this value outside the bracket, we can equate it to 0. So x is equal to 0, or 1 minus 9x is equal to 0. So we've gotten one value of x, but we still need to move further to get the second value of x. So moving on to the right side, we have minus 9x is equal to minus 1. So for us to get the value of x, we need to divide both sides by minus 9. So divide by minus 9, divide by minus 9. Minus 9 is going to cancel out minus 9. X is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 9. The minus sign will cancel each other out. So we have x is equal to 1 over 9. So therefore, the two values of x that satisfies this equation are x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 over 9. Very simple. You can check out more detailed lectures on the laws of indices on the playlist of my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.